This is serve line only, a ball control drill used to practice serve-receive and transitioning. In its most basic form, you need 8 to 12 players. It can be run on both sides of the court, as shown in this demonstration, or just on one, if there are less players. The ball will be entered by a line serve to a passer, who will pass to the target. The target will then set the ball to an outside hitter. In this demonstration, there is no outside hitter. However, as the players become better at the basic skills, hitters and blockers can be added in. The server may also come in and play defense in more complicated variations. In this variation, the players rotate clockwise. After they pass, they become the target. After they set, they become the server. After serving, they stay on the same side of the court and become a passer. That was SLO. Thanks for watching.